Hi, this is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending May 1st of 2020. The market experienced a bit of a roller coaster ride, having been up as much as 3.9% midweek on hopes of the economy reopening. Ultimately, the market contracted and finished the week with the S&P 500 down 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down a similar amount, with the Nasdaq Composite faring slightly worse, down 0.3%. The Russell 2000 index was once again the standout performer, gaining 2.2%. Sentiment was boosted earlier in the week on positive data being released on Gilead's COVID-19 treatment. The drug was approved for emergency use only by the FDA on Friday. Valuations were ultimately reined in later in the week. 5 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower. Energy saw the biggest weekly advance, while utilities declined the most. Last week saw an onslaught of weak economic data being released. The highlight was the first quarter GDP announcement, which showed that the U.S. economy contracted at an annualized rate of 4.8% in the first quarter. April's ISM Manufacturing Index was released on Friday, showing that manufacturing activity in the United States was at its lowest level since 2009. Personal spending for the month of March showed a decline of 7.5%. Lastly, initial jobless claims were 3.8 million, which was an improvement in a rate of change as there were 600,000 less initial jobless claims relative to the prior week. In the bond market, treasuries were mixed. The 2-year treasury yield held flat at a rate of 0.2%, while the 10-year treasury yield rose by 4 basis points to close out the week yielding 0.64%. Crude oil gained 16% to close just below $20 a barrel. This was a stark improvement from the price of oil earlier in the prior week. The dollar depreciated by 1.3% during the week, while the price of gold declined by 2% an ounce. That concludes the week in review for the week ending May 1st of 2020. Thank you and enjoy your week.